Hi, it's the Brooklynite Abroad, and I'm taking you way back into New York City history with an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour of the Hendrick I Lott House. This house dates back to the 1700s, before the beginnings of the United States, right here in Marine Park, Brooklyn.
Imagine coming out and just seeing farmland right outside your front door.
Yeah, look at this. Please don't. So who is this Hendrick?
The Lotts were everyday farmers, and you can really tell that they loved their house, they loved their family, they loved what they did. Is this an important piece in their collection? Does this help tell the public who they were? Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Because you need both of those to tell a well-rounded story. So when I say we have tons of photographs, we know exactly how they used most of these spaces. We've got nails that were used during the construction of the house. Corn cobs started falling out of the ceiling. And it was abandoned, but people used to break in. Teens would bring their girlfriends to scare them. So you can see all the things that they were planting. So this is a probate. So this shows his inventory at the time of his death of everything in the house, which includes the names of the 12 enslaved that lived on the property. This is our Underground Railroad room.
This is it? I get Hendrick's love of windows.
And then we have a young Ella. Independent woman who understood that the system is made to tie you down in certain areas.
Look, the Brooklyn Bridge is now mapped up there.
Yeah, you can see, like, even from 1903, how it was coming into this part of Brooklyn and how they were, like, really building into it.
So
this is not legally a staircase. Hollow wall. That can be opened up. I've had ghost investigations here, and we had all of the women's photographs in a row, and the only photograph that moved fully to the edge, right to the edge of that table was, oh, I do not like that creepy creaking noise. Reminding everybody that, like, this is happening and it is real.
It's such an honor to show you guys this behind-the-scenes exclusive hard hat tour. There's a little pause until September.
September, October.
Amazing. And then there's volunteer opportunities, fundraising opportunities to help restore the house and see this house come to life.
Yeah.
Bye. Thank you. Amazing. Thank you so much.